What's up, you guys? It's Makayla here, back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got rid of my dark marks, my acne scars, all that good stuff. So let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so let's get real. All over YouTube there's a lot of videos about how to get rid of acne fast, how to get rid of your dark marks, and when you click on it, they're taking you to a mask or some system you have to buy or something like that. Nothing's wrong with that. To each his own. Not everyone can use the same things on their face. Not every skin type is the same. You are your own person. Your skin is not like mine and it's not like theirs. So you just have to try reputable things out until you get the results you want. So let's talk about my experience with acne or just breaking out. I wouldn't really call myself having acne. Even going through puberty, I never really got acne all over my face. I have pretty good skin. I don't really break out that often. In my sophomore year, I would just break out from stress and not eating right, things like that. They were leaving scars. To not have acne marks is to have breakout prevention and how to stop the breakout, because just like for my hair video, stop and go watch my how to grow your hair fast in the new year video. Just like in that video, your face is a result of what you put into your body. So once again, start off by drinking water. Water will help to keep your face clear. Once I started this year in high school, my face was so much more clearer, and just because I'm drinking all water, I stopped drinking soda. That was step one. Sodas and chips, you're clogging your pores internally and your skin isn't breathing. Water is definitely a big part in keeping your skin clear. Okay, so tip number 2 in prevention would be to make sure you're washing your sheets. Your sheets have to be clean. Make sure you're taking off all of your makeup because that clogs your pores. And then if you don't take off your makeup at night, then you're sleeping on your pillows and sleeping on your sheets, and now that's dirty, and the dirt from your day is now in your bed. So every time you're laying your head down, boom, you're prone and you're open to breaking out because your face is getting dirty and you're just sleeping in the dirt. That's a no. Like, make sure you're washing your sheets often and you're taking off your makeup. That's really important. Okay, the next tip for prevention is every time I see a breakout, I use Neosporin on my breakouts, and it's a healer. If I put it on a breakout, it's going to be gone the next day. Like, Neosporin works really good for me. I love Neosporin. I use it for a lot of different things. Every time I have a breakout, Neosporin is getting put on it and I'll just be walking around looking shiny. A lot of people go the toothpaste route, but toothpaste is also a way that can leave you with scars. It's one of those things that really shouldn't be used on your face because it's supposed to be used in your mouth. So I really wouldn't suggest putting that on your face. I've had experiences with, I've had a bump, it was really big, I put toothpaste and it goes down, but it also will leave me with an acne scar. So I really wouldn't suggest that. I'd suggest going a more natural route with the vitamin E oil, the tea tree oil, or Neosporin, because it's used for topical medical uses. Do not pick at your face, do not touch your face, because that's what creates the acne scars. So that's definitely a no. I try not to touch my face when I have a bump. I just put on it what I need to put on it. This is my Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel and Aloe Vera formula. Everybody talks about this, and it's a toner. I use this to take off my makeup, and I just use it even when I don't have on makeup to get all the extra dirt out of my face. Getting the extra dirt out of my face is what prevented me from breaking out and causing more dark marks. Now let's talk about how to get rid of your acne scars, your dark marks quickly. So first things first, once I was put on to African black soap, I never left. It is literally the best soap ever. Let me show you guys how much I have left. I literally have none left. Like, I'm working with small pieces. I don't use the Shea Moisture kind. I don't use anything that looks refined. I say do your homework when purchasing African black soap. It works great, but as you can see, they faded away pretty nicely because they were so dark to the point where I would just want to cover them up. But once I started using my black soap with my spin brush, and I was washing my face every night with African black soap, wetting my spin brush and just rubbing it on the soap and then washing my face. The African black soap is what really will make your dark marks fade. It is the best thing for dark marks and acne scars. It completely faded all of my dark marks, and now my face is so clear and my skin tone is even. And you know, going over with the rose water and the aloe vera, it really helped to fade my dark marks too. I definitely owe it to that product. So, you know, any astringent, I used to use Sea Breeze, but the Thayer is more organic and it has aloe vera and rose water, and those are two things I think are great. Okay, so one thing I've also started towards the end of last year was using the aloe vera gel. This is the 100%, and I just got a small. I didn't really know if I was going to like it or not, but I love this aloe vera gel. After I wash my face at night, I put this all over my face, really hydrating, and it helps me to keep my skin clear. Aloe vera is one thing that will definitely fade your dark marks. Like I said, the things you need to clear your acne and your dark marks is black soap, rose water, some type of astringent, witch hazel, aloe vera gel, and neosporin. Those 4 things are what helped me to clear my skin, get rid of dark marks, and make my skin more even in one color. I feel like that's easy and fairly cheap. If nothing else, what you need is definitely the black soap. Black soap is like magic to me. It's just sensational. It really helped to clear my dark marks. All these other products helped, and I feel like they can be given or taken away. Black soap and neosporin is a holy grail product for me. That is basically all I use on my face to keep me clean and clear. That is how you clear your skin fast. Of acne marks, dark marks, all that stuff, this is how you do it. I hope you guys check out some more videos on my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Probably the way I was eating